Good afternoon. It is Sunday, May 21st. And believe it or not, we're entering the second week of Social Work 633, Social Work Practice with Families. As a reminder, today is the due date for your three discussion posts and replies for week one, and also your first section completed for the weekly family therapy theory grid, which is to be uploaded by the end of today in the assignment section. I will begin looking at those posts and the assignments later this evening into tomorrow. So hopefully by the end of the day tomorrow, I will have provided feedback. Again, if you're not going to be able to get those assignments completed, please let me know ahead of time so we can have a discussion. For week two, the objectives, readings, and media are noted. So the required readings from the text and the outside article by Weber, McGeevy, and McDaniel. And you might want to take a look at this article. It might be helpful in terms of your required role play for the week. And also articles from which you should choose at least one for the reading. And since you have to look at a video by Dr. Harry Aponte, this article may be one that you would want to consider. Also, the Mnuchin Center for Family Therapy website is noted, and the A House Divided Structure Therapy with a Black Family by Dr. Harry Aponte is also here, which you will need to complete one of your assignments. So, requirements in terms of discussion for week two, the Aponte video analysis, a role play where you will be videotaping yourself and answering a series of questions in order to get feedback from your colleagues in the class and also myself. Assignments, you have two. The week two addition to your family therapy theory grid on structural family therapy, and a reflection paper that is based on an article from week one called Dysfunction in the Family of Origin of MSW and Other Graduate Students. So refer to week one's reading for that article. In addition, there is a self-care activity, which is not graded, but always encouraged. Just to say a few words about structural family therapy, you know from the readings that the founder is noted as Salvador Minuchin, who was born in Argentina, worked for many years in the United States, including the Philadelphia Child Guidance Clinic. And again, now you can access the center that he has in New York. Some of the underlying assumptions of family therapy. Again, families have strengths. Families are systems and organizations made up of subsystems that issues of power and hierarchy and boundaries are ones that need to be considered when dealing with family problems and issues. That one of the key concepts in structural family therapy is this idea of joining, that the therapist joins in the family situation and is in a position of leadership and is one to help guide the family through examining why the interactions in this family need to be restructured and why problems are occurring. We talk about boundaries as being enmeshed, those boundaries being weak to diffuse and or rigid, where boundaries may be too disengaged, and that these are two areas that are also key concepts in structural family therapy. Therapeutic interventions include, again, the therapist joining in this situation so that the therapist can help guide and examine and point out interactions in the family that may be dysfunctional, to help the family in terms of restructuring by using techniques such as reframing or helping with boundary setting or challenging unproductive assumptions. And again, families have strengths, and the thought is that families can find the solutions to their own problems, but need the guidance of the therapist to be able to do that. So there are questions, thoughts, considerations. Please email me by using the Widener Campus email, or you can always email me at norma.thomas13@gmail.com. If there are any concerns, please get in touch with me. My number, again, I don't have a Widener number, but if you email me, I will be very happy to make arrangements that we can talk over the phone. So I look forward to interacting with you this week. And please, again, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.